Hey friends, if you wish to remove your credit card credentials from Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings from the menu and then in this list you can type payment. Okay, now is there something called as payment info here. Click on this one. And if you have any payment info here, then you can delete it. Other than this, there's something called as Microsoft Wallet. If you click on this, you will see all payment related options. So if you have added any specific card here, okay, then I suggest you to delete that one as well. But the main cards are here. Now you don't see anything because I have never added a card and I don't want to share the my card details on the screen, but the cards are here. You can simply click on the option to remove them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.